This is the most dangerous, loud, and powerful American muscle car ever built for the street. Welcome back to V8 Legends. Today we dive into the legendary Dodge Challenger SRT Demon 170.
A factory street car so fast, it actually lifts its front wheels off the pavement, straight out of the showroom.
Why the name 170? Because it runs on E85 ethanol, which is 170 proof alcohol fuel. Under the hood rests a supercharged 6.2-liter Hemi V8, pumping out a mind-blowing 1,025 horsepower. The supercharger alone forces air into the engine at over 21 pounds of boost pressure.
To handle that raw power, Dodge fitted it with custom Mickey Thompson drag slicks straight from the factory.
When the tree goes green, this street monster achieves 0 to 60 in 1.66 seconds.
That is faster acceleration than a Formula One car, or a $2 million electric hypercar.
In fact, it was officially banned by the NHRA for being too fast without a full roll cage.
It clears the quarter mile in 8.91 seconds at over 150 miles per hour.
It features a built-in trans brake that locks the transmission so you can build full boost before launch.
Dodge upgraded the entire rear differential housing with aerospace-grade steel to prevent snapping.
It even diverts the car's air conditioning system to chill the intake air before it enters the V8.
Press the line lock button, and it locks the front brakes while letting the rear tires spin freely. Buyers could option lightweight carbon fiber wheels that shaved 37 pounds of unsprung weight.
To save every single ounce, the car comes standard with only one seat. The passenger seat is a $1 option.
The black key unlocks 500 horsepower, but the red key unlocks all 1,025 horses. An automatic fuel sensor measures the exact ethanol percentage and adjusts horsepower output in real time.
The massive air grabber hood scoop is the largest functional hood vent ever put on a production car.
Only 3,300 units were produced for the entire world before production ended. Original MSRP started at $96,000, a bargain for hypercar performance.
But dealership markups instantly pushed real-world prices past $250,000. This car marks the end of an era, the final pure V8 gas muscle car from Dodge.
With Dodge switching to electric muscle, the Demon 170 is the ultimate send-off to gasoline power. The driving one requires full respect. One wrong tap of the throttle will send you sideways instantly. The dual exhaust produces a deafening supercharger whine mixed with deep V8 thunder. Dodge even offered a factory parachute mounting bracket for drivers pushing over 150 miles per hour. It holds the title of the fastest accelerating combustion car ever mass-produced in history.
Collectors are locking these away in private vaults, expecting prices to double in coming years.
An instant legendary classic that will never be replicated again.
Pure, unadulterated American horsepower at its absolute pinnacle.
Nothing on earth sounds or feels like a 1,000 horsepower supercharged V8.
Would you choose this Demon 170 over a multi-million-dollar European hypercar?
Demon 170, Shelby GT500, or Camaro ZL1? Drop your favorite in the comments.
Subscribe to V8 Legends for daily deep dives into iconic muscle cars and racing history. Turn on notifications so you never miss another muscle car breakdown.
Thanks for watching V8 Legends. Long live the supercharged V8.